This video will cover the installation of an Eco battery in a club car golf cart that came stock with a factory lithium battery. This installation will cover carts that came with either the LG or Vanguard factory lithium batteries. Remove the seat. Turn your key off and put your tow run switch in tow mode. Remove terminal connections and hardware. Disconnect main communication cable. Remove VCM hardware. Set aside VCM. Cut the zip tie on the plastic cable clamp and take the plastic cable clamp off the battery hold-down stud. Remove battery hold-down hardware. Remove factory battery. Remove mounting plate hardware. Remove mounting plate. Remove J-hooks. Tidy battery compartment if needed. Remount the factory VCM in preferred location using provided Eco battery hardware. Remove side panels. Remove floor mat. Remove the outer ring on the charge port. You may need to use a screwdriver. Remove kick panel and hardware. Remove hardware on top of the battery compartment. Remove kick panel. Remove charge port hardware. Disconnect factory charge port connections and remove charge port. Install your new Eco battery charge port. If you have a factory meter, you do not have to install our meter. It will show the correct SOC. If you do not have a factory meter, use the Eco battery meter and wire the cable from the battery bucket through the dash as shown. If you have a factory meter, you do not need to route the cable to the dash, but you will need to connect it to the battery in the battery bucket. If routing an Eco battery meter, remove the dash panel. Route the meter cable up the dash as shown. If using a factory meter, you can leave this in the battery bucket. Replace dash panel and hardware. For this application, we will use a column mount. You can also drill a mounting hole in desired location. Install meter hardware as shown. Connect both meter connections. Reinstall kick panel and hardware. Reinstall floor mat. Reinstall side panels and hardware. Reinstall outer ring of charge port. If installing a through hole, follow directions as shown. If you're installing one of our longer batteries, mounting will be shown. All connections are the same. Club car factory lithiums do not come with this rod. If installing a through hole, you will need to get one. Your local dealer most likely has some laying around. Drop in your Eco battery. Drop J-hook into the hole and secure with top of battery hardware. Torque to 10 foot-pounds or 120 inch-pounds. If you are using a long Eco battery, install mounting brackets as shown. Insert J-hook through bottom hole. Install spacer, washer, then nut. Install bracket in shown location. Hand tighten only for now to allow some movement if needed when mounting your battery. Repeat this process on the other side. Drop in your Eco battery. Install battery hold-down hardware. Drop in and install your Eco battery charger. Connect your charger to the charge port. Connect your meter cable to COM port 2. Even if you aren't using an Eco battery meter, you need to make this connection. Locate your Eco battery Club Car factory lithium module. Connect module positive, charger positive, and main positive cables to the positive terminal. Torque to 8 foot-pounds or 96 inch-pounds. Connect module negative, charger negative, and main negative cables to the negative terminal. Torque to 8 foot-pounds or 96 inch-pounds. Connect your module CAN connection to one of the CAN connections coming off of COM port 2. It does not matter which one. Connect your charger CAN into the other. Connect charger interlock coming off the charger to corresponding interlock connection on your module. Grab your factory communication plug and identify which one of the connectors is the same. You will either have the LG or Vanguard factory lithium connections. Install the correct connector to the factory communication cable. Connect Deutsch connector coming off connector to your module. The module comes with 2 zip ties and 4 screws. You can secure it using the zip ties or surface mount in preferred location. Turn your battery and key on and put your tow run switch in run mode. Ensure your battery is on the latest firmware using the EB Power app. Using the EB Power app, set the CAN communication to Club Car HP. Select Eco Battery, then select your battery. The name will be your battery serial number, settings, CAN protocol, Club Car HP. Save. Replace the seat. If you have any additional questions, please reach out to our support team. Thank you for supporting Eco Battery.